If you've lost access to your WhiteBIT account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the WhiteBIT website. Go to the official WhiteBIT website using a secure browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your WhiteBIT account. Ensure that you enter it correctly, as this is where recovery instructions will be sent. Step 4. Check your email for recovery instructions. Look for an email from WhiteBIT containing recovery instructions. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Contact customer support if needed. If you do not receive the email or encounter issues, reach out to WhiteBIT's customer support. Provide them with necessary account details to assist in your recovery. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your WhiteBIT account without needing your phone number. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support for additional help.